Ashley from Vega Designs Custom Automotive, and today we're going to see some awesome countermeasure installations talking about the Uniden R9W. Uniden now has the ability for you to put up to 12 diffusers into a vehicle. 12 isn't something that's going to happen very often, but let's look at an example of what we can do. So this truck here has a really wide frame and wide body, and with Uniden's new ability to put more diffusers in, we can do 4 in the front and 4 in the rear to make sure it has that full coverage. Every single build that we do here at Vega Designs focuses on attention to detail and the one-of-a-kind installation that that client is looking for. So here we have a 911 on each side of me, and they are both getting R9W installations, but each a little different. As we take a look at this first 911, this is going to have a full functional installation. What does that mean? That means that every sensor is going to be perfectly leveled for best performance, like in all of our countermeasure installations, but those diffusers are going to be visible. You'll still see where we constructed parts to get that perfect angle as we zoom in and take a look at those, but that is going to be the biggest difference. It does have stealth front and rear radar that are hidden behind those bumpers and installed properly, and it will get beautifully fabricated in controller and keypad. And right here we have Andres, also MECP certified tech, in working on this 911. I want you to notice how the seat is protected as well as the steering wheel. And in our attention to detail, and one of my favorite, I want you to come down and get a close-up of the wires that he's running and just the design and beauty in such a simple piece that no one will ever see, but that's really important to us here at Vega Designs. Every single vehicle that we work on, it's really important that the installation is done to just our level of expectation. And all of that starts with Miguel, 3 times MEA Top 12 technician in North America. Every installation is to be done to the highest level and always improving for our clients. So you'll see just the detail in that wire ran. Even though no one else sees it, we take pride in what a Vega Designs installation is. And so that's just the expectation. That is just the standard here that all of our clients receive. And so every single wire is going to be protected, taped, and done right for our clients, because it means so much to us that people from 19 states now have trusted us with their installations, and we just only keep working to get better. So right here, this is where we designed an Autodesk, and this is going to be a design that Miguel completed. And this is the rear diffuser design for this 911. So what you're going to see as you zoom in is that that sensor was very precisely designed and leveled to give the best performance for our clients out on the road. So right here in the back of this 911, we have that stealth radar behind the bumper, and what we're taking a look at is where that computer design you just saw is going to go. So the really focus on the angle that we saw in each diffuser for best performance comes from the actual vehicle. So we check the level of every vehicle and every angle before we get started. So Porsche's right here, this is not a perfectly flat component. So if that diffuser is just stuck up when a build is done, you're defending yourself from the sky, and that's not the goal. So that's why we get that beautiful angle in our design that's going to come out to give the best protection as this 911 hits the road. We're about to take a close-up, but what you're going to see is cars are very rarely built with everything just perfectly flat. I mean, that's what makes it so sexy, the lines and design that it comes from factory. And we just want to uplift that even more. So when you come in and take a close-up on each of these diffusers, what you're going to see are the 3D design components that were built very intentionally to really work with and create exactly where that diffuser needs to be level for performance. So you'll see it on both the inside and these outside diffusers. There are 4 protecting the face of this Porsche. So now we're going to take a look at the custom fab that's happening on the inside of the vehicle. We're going to have a display as well as a keypad that's going to control this R9W. So up here on the steering column, you're going to see a beautifully designed piece that's going to come in and allow that display to be in a spot that really flows with the design of the vehicle. And then for easy access and control to the keypad to control your system, right here in the center console, everything I need ready to go. Time to test our Uniden R9W installation. So I'm here with the Stalker XLR, and right now we're testing the countermeasure installation in this Porsche 911. And so I am running a test with Miguel. No read. Go. Keep going on your back. I'm going right here with the Dragon Eye, which is the hardest gun on the market to defeat. And we are going to run the same test first, coming in on the front diffusers. Nothing. We just finished this R9W installation. We did a full testing in-house, and now it's time for it to go enjoy the road.